lettuce wrap burger. So we're gonna unwrap it and see what it looks like. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Our lettuce wrap burgers. So I made this basically like a Whopper. It's wrapped in lettuce. So what we got? So we got ketchup, bacon, onion,
that looks so
pickles, and a little bit of ketchup. Not too much, and mayo. It looks like it's pretty wrapped pretty good, actually. Let's see what we got here.
So,
I got the bacon and the ketchup on the bottom. Pretty good, baby.
alright. Good.
So yeah, look, they wrapped it up pretty good, so you can actually eat it. It's actually like, it's not like just two like thin pieces that some places do.
One to 10.
10, baby.
Alright.
Very good. Alright, now Jessica's gonna try hers. Make sure you give me your honest opinion, honey.
You want to look first
So
inside?
it's basically the same.
Yeah, pickles, onions,
Yeah, and I
tomatoes.
ordered. What's on the bottom? Is the ketchup on the bottom now? On that one too?
Yep.
Yeah.
Bacon,
Yeah,
ketchup,
bacon,
mayonnaise, a little bit of
a
mayonnaise.
little bit of mayonnaise.
Alright, I'm gonna take a bite
Here,
now.
wrap it up behind here. Make sure you hold it. You know what
Oh
I'm
my,
saying?
this is big.
No.
Ready?
Good. Huh? What are you rating?
10.
10?
Yep,
Alright.
it's pretty good.
Jessica approves. Joy. Love you, baby. Alright, so this is what we got here. We got the bacon cheeseburger, no bun, with the wrap, with mayo, onion, lettuce, pickled tomato, and a little bit of ketchup. Jessica got the exact same thing.
2 rounds. 2 rounds.
2 rounds of ketchup
Instead of 4.
instead of 4 rounds. So they put the ketchup on in the squirt circle with 4 circles. But he said he could do, I asked for light ketchup, he said he could do 2 circles. So I said, okay.
It's less carbs. So.
Yeah, less carbs. They didn't have any sugar-free ketchup. And this is our bill here. Right here, $24.03. So, altogether, we enjoyed it. And I think my wife said it was really good, right, baby?